Hey everybody, the reason we're making this video, it's gonna be kind of strange. No one's ever done this before, so a carpet cleaner has it, so you go see something different. The topic of this video is this right here, this product. This is Calgon, it's water softener, fabric softener. And the reason we're making this video is because in this industry, a lot of people, they clean carpets, and when they're done, the carpets have like a crunchiness to them, and the customers don't like that. If you use this product here, you're going to eliminate your crunchiness. Now, typically, we would mix this in our pre-spray, put the pre-spray on the carpet, clean the carpet, and then the fabric softener would be left in the carpet to soften them up as they dry. But since I'm just going to show you on a dry carpet, our carpet, this carpet, it's never been softened or anything, so it'll be an interesting carpet. What we're going to do is make a video where we put the stuff on after we've talked about it and explain what we're doing, and then we're going to we'll make a follow-up video like in a day or two and show you guys and tell you guys the honest results of how it turned out. For now, let me put some water in the sprayer. Now, you don't want to use heavy doses of this stuff. That's not necessary. I'm going to use 2 ounces, which is a fair, trust me, it's a lot of stuff, a lot of chemical, a lot of softener for this size of a sprayer. For a full-sized 2-gallon sprayer, I would probably recommend using maybe 2 to 4 ounces. It don't take a lot to do the job. Okay, there's 2 ounces. Just, I'm not lying. See there? Okay. People think that we make up stuff. Well, we don't. But there's 2 ounces, and it smells decent. It's not a smell that's overwhelming where your customers will say get out, but it's a smell that's decent. So what we're going to do is we're going to spray the carpets, make them smell real good. I mean, make them real soft. They'll have a nice smell to them. All that's in here is water and Calgon, so there's nothing to, as it smells, it's going to only smell from the product because there's no other products to create a smell. Okay, move backward. Now, I don't know if this could create a slip incident. If you step off the carpet on the tile floor, if you could have a slickness under your feet. Probably, I'll tell you, because I'm going to do that in the video here. So.
Oh, I hope you take a slip and fall right on video.
Wouldn't that be neat?
Yeah.
Everybody hopes the same thing. I hope he falls and gets hurt.
I hope you go heels up
and end up in an emergency
land
room.
on your butt, yeah.
But this doesn't seem like a big thing, but I'll tell you this will take the stiffness. When you use degreasers, sometimes they can create a pretty big stiffness in a carpet. Some of them will. And this will take that stiffness, the stiffness right on out. And we figured since no one's ever showed, you hear people use water softeners and fabric softeners and stuff, but since no one's ever showed a video about it, we figured, well, why not?
You want to get the rake and rake it in, or you just want to put it on top of it?
You could rake it in, or you could just let it be what it is. Just for fun, I might get the rake and rake it in. Just, I don't know that I would at a job. See, at a job, I would spray this down and start running a bonnet over it. So I wouldn't really rake it in because I'd work it in. But for video's sake, I might rake it in just for some hee-haws. Sit this down. Yeah, I'll get the rake real quick.
Pour the rest of that just in the laundry.
Yeah, I will.
In the clothes washer.
Oh yeah, if you wash your clothes with this, don't wash clothes that have like jeans and stuff where you stretch and move around. It could tear your threads out. On shirts and stuff, it's okay, but be careful what you wash with fabric softener. Like I said, this raking, step back a bit, this raking is not a necessary step because typically I would work the product in, not rake it in, because I'd work it in with a bonnet. But because I'm not doing that on video, I'm not cleaning with a bonnet, I'll rake it in just to make the point that you kind of want to get it mixed throughout the whole carpet fiber as best as possible. Hey Joe, you should call this video Calgon Take Me Away.
Yeah, I thought about that.
Huh?
I thought about that.
But this will soften up your carpets. It's guaranteed. Especially if you're using like harsh chemicals like delaminine and I mean a lot of end caps. I've got end caps, not now. I've used end caps in the past that will make your carpet super stiff. And what I do is if I use those is I'd go over the carpets with them, and if I was pad capping, and then when I would be done, I go ahead and put this over and rake it in as a treatment for soft, and hopefully the carpets will be soft instead of hard. That should be it. But what we'll do is we'll make a follow-up video in a few days. We'll show you guys the honest. By the way, I stepped off on a towel and it's not slick. And there's two ounces. Don't sound like a lot, but you're talking about 2 ounces with 1,250 milliliters of water. So that's a lot.
Yeah.
You know.
You can use too much, but it's just kind of wasting it.
Well, the bottle says use 2 ounces for your washing machine.
Yeah.
And this is nowhere near the water, so it's a fair amount of product.
But a lot of the commercial pre-sprays on the market have a softener in them, and that's one of the main ingredients. And you could just put softener in for yourself and anything you want. One
of the most popular products out there that people use all over the place is pretty much a water softener product.
Yeah.
And it's very, very popular. It has been for years, so I'm not going to mention the name because they may not want me to, but it's a water softener product. So anyway, that's the video. We'll make another one like in a day or two. I'll follow up and tell you guys how we think the carpets turned out and stuff. But it is a real doable thing that you could consider doing if you don't want stiff carpets. If you get stiff carpets, your customers are like, I don't like the carpet stiff. They want to walk barefooted across a cloud, not across, zoysia grass. So you may consider this. But anyway, that's the video for now.
All right. Thanks for watching.